Hello guys, this is from Mrs. Abby. In today's video, I'm going to need your help in doing something. If you would please help me, I will appreciate it. I have an empty space or an empty room in my home, and I've been coming up with ideas for the last couple of months as what to do with this room. And I have one idea of what I can do with it, and I got that idea from watching a video from the channel called Gout Plants, and it is the host of that channel is Sandy and her sister Erica, and they do a lot of walkthroughs at nurseries. And they were at a nursery one day called Ricky's Flower Market. And at Ricky's Flower Market, they came up to a sign that says DIY Terrarium Buffet. And it had a lot of glass bowls and glass jars. And it had a lot of things. And it had like areas for sands and rocks and moss and a whole lot of other things that you would need to do some DIYs for succulents and cactus and houseplants. And I thought, okay, I might just take that empty space and turn it into a terrarium buffet, a DIY terrarium buffet. And I had made the comment on Sandy's video and telling her that I might use that same type thing for an empty space I had in my home, that I have in my home. And I told her I was going to let her know when I decide to do that. Well, that's what I might do. I think I'm going to do that, but I'm not for sure, because I want some more ideas now, because since that time, it's been 3 months ago, I would just like to have some more. If you have any other ideas of what I can do with this space, please let me know in the comment section. Now I'm going to give you a tour of the room. This room is about a 9 by 11. And I'm only going to use it for live plants, succulents, cactus, or either house plants, because that's what I use to decorate my home and my client's home. So if you have any ideas, leave it in the comment section. So here's the space. Right there is a window, and that window gets lots of sunshine, lots of light, and it gets direct sunlight. So I think that I'm going to, whatever I turn this room into, I know that I'm put some type of sheer type curtains there, so it can protect the plants from the direct sunlight that it gets. Most places in my home don't get that much sunlight, but this room here has, this window here gets lots of sunlight. There's a large wall right there. There's a closet right there. I have some home decor in that closet now, but I'm going to take it out and place it in another closet. That is the entry door. This is a funny made room, but I like the way it's made. Now the carpet on the floor is brown, which is, I guess, good due to the fact it's going to be used for live house plants. So I guess that makes it good. I might put an area rug on top of this. I don't know yet. I'm just looking for ideas and just brainstorming right now. So if you have any ideas as to what I can do with this room, please leave it in the comment section. That is all for now, guys. Thank you for watching. And please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next video. Remember that God is good all the time. Bye.